This is as good of a place as any. Man, I'm hungry. All right, we got an interesting selection today. Chapagetti. I don't really know what Chapagetti is, so I had to look it up. It's kind of like Korean black noodles or something, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix in a little bit of rice and we're gonna make it a Chapagetti Bomb. Stay tuned for this. You won't want to miss it. Alright, we're using the Lixada folding stove that I haven't used in a while, and that's it's blooming up pretty nicely. We're gonna wait for our water to boil, and then we're gonna get our Chapagetti on. I don't know how this is gonna be. Hopefully it'll be all right. I don't know. I ain't sure. And you saw me put those little pieces of hanger wire on the Luxottica folding stove, and when I put it on the first time, you saw the stove fall down, and it, you know, the heat kind of warps it out. And those little pieces of hanger wire do two things. It's a good support for the canteen cup, and it also keeps the stove from warping out and the stove falling down to the bottom. So that's what I did. So let's get our water boiling and cook this up. Let's see what we got in the Chapagetti here. Got the noodles, some Chapagetti stuff. I don't know what this is. Some soup base, and some oil. All right, we're just about boiling here, so another minute or so, and then we'll be ready to roll. All right, looks like we're boiling. Let's get our Chapagetti in here. Uh-oh, it's not gonna fit. We have to break up our Chapagetti. It don't fit. That's terrible. So we're gonna have to, I think we're gonna have to cook it in stages here. Chapagetti's too big for the canteen cup. Alright, so while I'm going to do this, I'll be back. Alright, I managed to get all of the noodles in there. They're softening up pretty good. We should be able to cook this up pretty nicely. I think I'm going to put that rice in there, make it a Chapagetti bomb. What do you think? All right, we got to cook it for boil it for 5.5 minutes. So there we go. Look at that. Okay. All right. These guys have been boiling up for about 5.5 minutes. They're a lot thicker than ramen, so I think that's why you gotta cook them for a little longer. Oh yeah, but they look like they're pretty decent. There's some water in it there. All right, these are the Chapagetti vegetables. Okay. Okay. Now we got the Chapagetti soup base. All right. Which is not easy to get open. Ah, here we go. Ooh, that looks pretty dark. Now they say put this oil in there. So we're going to put that oil in there. Going to mix it all up. Ooh. I don't know. That's looking pretty dark. Wow, look at how dark these noodles are. All right, half a cup of rice. Let's see what this does. Gonna turn this into a Chapagetti bomb. This is instant rice and this is really hot, so this rice should cook up pretty wick, I'm thinking. It should really thicken this up. So I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes and then we're gonna check it out. All right, let's see how this turned out. Our improvised cover here. Wow, that's thick. Not bad. But what would anything be without a little bit of our old favorite? Just to spice up our Korean noodles. Just a drop. That ought to crank it up a little bit. All right, let's try it. All right, here we go. A Chapagetti Bomb. Okay. It's not bad with the hot sauce in it. The rice really thickened it up. And that's pretty darn good. As the jets go over and the lawnmowers play in the background. This is pretty good. Once again, this is Chapagetti. And I didn't really know what Chapagetti was. I had to look it up. It's Korean black noodles. And it's really, really dark, as you can see. And they're really, really thick, which is why it takes longer to cook them up than regular ramen does. I kind of made it a Chapagetti Bomb with the rice and stuff. And it's actually not bad. So I'm gonna sit here and enjoy the rest of my Chapagetti Bomb. Let the stove burn out and stuff. Using the Luxada stove that I haven't used in a long time. I think I'm gonna go back to it. It worked really, really well. And back to doing Canteen Cup Tuesday. I took enough time off, so here we go. So once again, from the woods near my house, and I'm still in town, with a Chapagetti Bomb. This is Matt the Old Floor Boy, and I will see you on the trail.